Hi guys, just a quick note. During the last couple of videos, you might have gotten the impression that all the steps that we programmers have to go through have to be done in a different kind of software for every step. Especially in the video about interpreters and compilers. However, while that might have been true a very long time ago, nowadays we programmers have a wonderful kind of software called IDEs. And IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So these are programs that bundle a text editor, a debugger, a compiler or an interpreter, amongst other things. And for example, Apple's Xcode IDE also has automatic unit testing and an iOS or iPhone or iPad simulator, among other things, just as an example. And these IDEs are a bit more complex than just, typing code in your text editor and then running it in the terminal. However, these are powerful pieces of software that give you a whole lot more leverage on your code as a coder. And if you are watching all these videos in series, the series that I intended you to watch them at least, then you will have already written a simple Hello World program using Java by this point, using a text editor and your terminal. However, in the next video, I will show you how things can be done different. I will show you how to write a simple Hello World program, nothing too fancy, but using the C language and using an IDE. So, if you've never worked with an IDE before, now you know what an IDE is. And don't worry, everything you need to know to be able to use that IDE, I will show you that in the next video. So see you then guys, bye.